Today, I'm going to show you a shop that is making $40,000 a month. And this is a digital product, which means that most of that number is purely profits.
Wait, it's a 17-minute long video. Do you have time for this? Cause I don't. So here is how I'm going to learn everything in just 3 steps and actually make at least $500 from it. You want to learn? Step 1. Copy the video URL. Go to our custom ChatGPT, paste it, then expand the description, and at the bottom you will see show transcript. Copy the transcript, paste it on the AI, and click this tiny button. Now AI is doing its job and analyzing the whole video, creating a step-by-step tutorial, standard operating procedure, finding interesting lines that I can use as my hook, writing a short video script for me, and doing a SWOT analysis, strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats. That's not all. It's writing an article that I can use in my website. Now writing image prompts that I can use on AI to create images for my article. I'm going to add another prompt and hit enter. In a few seconds, the first image is ready, the second image, and the third image, fourth image. Now I'll go to another AI application and simply by pasting the video URL, this AI application, short videos, and in a matter of seconds, 10 short clips are ready to use in my video. So I have just used AI to learn fast, take ideas, plus use my experience and make short videos that I will publish on social media site. This social media will send free traffic to my automated high ticket sales funnel. This automated funnel will do the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. But that's not all. Our system is 99% done for you. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.